Root canal economics, understanding price differences in Europe and Turkey. In terms of dental treatment, one of the most popular and crucial treatments is a root canal. The procedure is required when the pulp within the tooth is damaged or infected, which can cause severe pain as well as possible tooth loss if untreated. The cost for the procedure can differ significantly based on where you live within the world. In this short video, we'll look at the cost differences between Europe as well as Turkey in the field of root canals. The root canal procedure is a complicated and delicate procedure that requires an experienced dentist to carry out the procedure. In Europe, it is possible to pay for the procedure can vary between €300 up to €1,500 depending on the severity of the procedure and the area of the dental facility. For countries such as France, Germany, and the UK, in which the cost of living is very high, cost of a root canal could be higher of the scale. For countries such as Spain as well as Italy, in which the costs of living are more reasonable, the cost of a root canal could be less expensive. However, Turkey is becoming an increasing popular choice for dental tourism because of the high-end dental services offered for a fraction of cost. In Turkey, it is possible to find an average root canal could range between €50 up to €300, which makes it an affordable option for those seeking to cut costs on the cost of their dental care. The price is inclusive of consultation, X-rays as well as anesthesia. Then there's the procedure itself. Why is there an extreme price gap in Europe and Turkey in the field of root canals? There are several reasons to take into consideration. One of the primary factors is the price of living and work across all countries. In Europe, dentists have to be required to pay for high-cost rent for their dental clinics as well as high wages for their employees. The cost of overhead is transferred to patients through higher costs for dental treatments. In Turkey, however, on contrary, it is a place where the cost of working and living is less, which allows dentists to provide competitive rates for their offerings. A different aspect to take into consideration is the degree of competition on the market for dental services. In Europe, it is possible that there are less dental clinics in specific regions, which can lead to an absence of competition and therefore more expensive dental costs. In Turkey, it is home to more dental centers, which means greater competition and lower costs for patients. It is important to remember that the cost of the root canal isn't the sole factor to be considered when selecting a dentist. Quality of service as well as the expertise that the doctor has are also important factors to take into consideration. In Europe, dentists have to undergo strict training and follow strict guidelines in their practice to ensure the highest quality of treatment to patients. In Turkey, dentists are also provided with high-quality training, and many have traveled abroad to nations like the US as well as the UK to improve their abilities. The cost of root canals can differ greatly in Europe and Turkey because of aspects like the costs of living, the labor as well as competition, and the high quality of treatment. Although Europe might provide a better quality of treatment, cost can deter patients from having treatments. Turkey on the other side, offers low-cost dental services but without sacrificing quality and makes it a desirable alternative for those looking to cut costs on dental treatments. In the end, the decision of the best place to receive root canals should boil down to a compromise between quality, price, and ease for patients.